Hello, children. I am your computer teacher, Arpita Nemani. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself and staying home. Children, today we will start with your second chapter, Parts of a Computer. In the previous chapter, you read about the different things that a computer can do. Now, let us learn about the various parts of a computer. So, children, all of you know that computer has four main parts: monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. All of these parts together make a computer system. All these parts are generally connected by wires to make them work. Children, let us study about all these parts in detail. Number 1. Monitor. Monitor is also called Visual Display Unit, VDU. It displays words and pictures. Children, we can watch cartoon movies on a monitor. Children, the picture shown below is the CPU cabinet. The CPU cabinet contains the CPU, Central Processing Unit. It is also called the brain of a computer. It controls all other parts of computer. The third part is keyboard. Keyboard has many buttons on it called keys. These keys are used to type numbers, letters, and other symbols. Children, we know that keyboard has alphabet keys, number keys, space bar, and enter key. All this you have learned in your class 1. Whatever we type on the keyboard can be seen on the monitor. Fourth part is mouse. A mouse is a pointing device normally joined by a cable to a computer. It helps us point at things on the computer monitor. The mouse is also used to click and drag things on the computer monitor. We can draw pictures too. A mouse can be handled better when kept on a mouse pad, as it moves well on a smooth surface. Now children, as we are aware of the four main parts of computer, now let us move to some helping devices of computer that helps in different functions. Number 1. Printer. Children, a printer is used to take a copy, usually on a sheet of paper, of the information stored in your computer. This copy is called a printout. Children, some other helping devices of computer are microphones, speakers, and headphones. Microphone and speakers, when attached to a computer, form the sound system of the computer. They are a part of the multimedia devices of a computer. Multimedia computer systems allows us to hear sound and watch movies, besides letting us read text on the computer. Children's multi means many. Children's microphone is used to record different sounds. Speakers. Speakers are used to listen to recorded sounds. And headphones are used to listen recorded sound or music without disturbing others. Children's one more helping device of a computer is UPS. It stands for uninterrupted power supply. It means that it keeps the computer working for some time even after the electricity goes off. Children's yet more helping device of computer are floppy disk, CD-ROM and DVD-ROM. These all are used to store information permanently. A CD-ROM can store more information than a floppy disk. Both CD-ROM and DVD-ROM are round and of same size. But a DVD-ROM stores more information than a CD-ROM. Children's floppy disk, CD-ROMs and DVD-ROMs must be kept away from sunlight and in damp areas, as they get spoiled even left exposed to sunlight for too long. Children's, in this picture you can see all the parts and the other helping devices of a computer together with their functions. Children's, as we are done with the chapter, now let us start solving your textbook exercises. So all of you, please take out your computer textbook and open page number 24. Question number 1. Tom is trying to get to his brand new computer system. Using a pencil, draw the path Tom must take to reach his computer system. So children, you have to make the path from Tom to reach his computer system. Children's question number 2. Rio wants to listen to the music stored in a DVD using his computer, but he does not want to disturb others. Which of the following devices will he not require for his task? Put a cross in the boxes given alongside each picture. So, children, you have to make a cross against the devices which Rio will not be using to listen to the music. Question number 3. What is Ruby wearing? Write its name in the blank space provided. Children, Ruby is wearing a pair of headphones with an attached microphone. So all of you write headphone in the blank. Question number 4. Write T for the true statement and F for the false one. A. A CPU cabinet looked like a TV. So it is false. No, a monitor looks like a TV. B. A keyboard is used to type information into a computer. True, yes. C. The mouse is not used to click and drag things on the monitor. False. Mouse is used to click and drag things on the monitor. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. The dash controls all the other parts of a computer. The CPU controls all the other parts of a computer. B. The dash is used to enter information into the computer by pressing keys. The keyboard is used to enter information. C. The dash helps to draw pictures on the computer. So children, the mouse helps to draw pictures on the computer. D. The dash takes a printed copy of your work from the computer. So the printer takes a printed copy of your work from the computer. The dash keeps the computer working for some time even after the electricity goes off. So children, what keeps the computer working? The UPS keeps the computer working for some time even after the electricity goes off. Question number 6 on page 26. Match the following with the correct names. Children, you have to mark the names with the correct picture. Thank you.